Good morning, everyone. This is Elsie Kerns, Chaos to Clarity Coaching, and today I'm doing our 10-minute meditation via video. And I want to invite us to balance our hormones, which are certainly struggling in the midst of this current crisis. So when we talk about our hormones, we're going to work with pineal, pituitary, thyroid, thymus, pancreas, reproductive system, and bring each of those into balance. But we're going to begin at the heart, one hand over the other, because the heart is the rainbow bridge between our higher centers and our lower centers. And we're going to incorporate today the beauty of color and welcome spring. When we hold the heart center area, just above, of course, is our thymus, and that helps our immune system. So we're inviting that immune system to be strong and vital during this time. When we hold the heart center, it glows in colors of pinks, roses, and even the color gold. We use the term, someone has a heart of gold. So we hold the center and invite, again, that thymus to be strong, to be healthy, and to support our immune system. We're going to go down just one hand at a time, right over that solar plexus area. And we're working with all of those organs here: liver, gallbladder, pancreas, and spleen. So this area is a difficult area for almost all of us because there's so many organs. And of course, we have kidney and adrenals on the back of that third center. So here in that third center, it glows in beautiful sunshine yellow. So we hold the pancreas, which works with the sweetness of life. Where do we get our sweetness of life from? Is it from just the beauty around us, or other things? Like my struggle is definitely ice cream. So we hold this area and bring it into balance, just using our own electromagnetic hands. We slide down one hand at a time right across the pelvis, since we're working with ourselves. And we're holding this area that encompasses our reproductive system, and this whole area has the color of orange, vibrant orange. And from this center, we are able to birth life, and equally important, we can birth ourselves and our ideas in three-dimensional reality. So we hold this area and honor this great gift of being able to not only birth life, but birth ourselves, our ideas, our creativity. Next, we're going to slide down and hold the knees and work with that root center that connects us to Mother Earth. And that root center is seen in colors of red, maroon, again, strong, vibrant. And this root center helps us to connect to the earth, to a place of safety, feeling safe, feeling held, and feeling strong and nurtured. So again, we let ourselves connect to the earth and take a moment to trust in her support, and let us support her in every way that we can. bring our palms, one hand over the other, back to the heart center and to the thymus. And now we're going to work our way to our higher centers. So we're going to come up just off the throat, which is in beautiful, calming blues. We're going to bring that blue sky out there today, right down over us, and nourish the thyroid and this area of communication, our ability to, clearing my throat here, our ability to speak and to communicate with those around us. Next, we're going to move one hand at a time right up to the forehead. And we're going to hold this area that is just opening up, lighting up our neocortex. And we're going to give gratitude for the ability to think, to create, to design our life. And finally, one hand at a time over the top of the crown. And here, this is in the color white. The forehead, pituitary, is in the color of lavender. So we're moving to higher colors. And here in white, this represents all colors. And we open up the crown so that we can receive divine inspiration from the universe, so that we can then create through all of our being, every part of our being, the magnificence of the universe. And from the crown, we're going to reach all the way up to the heavens. And I want you to look up. There is no color here. As we reach up to the universe, to the heavens above us, there is just love. No color, just love. So take this moment to ask for whatever it is you need and want at this time in your life. Just take a breath and ask whatever you need. Ask for what it is you want, and bring all the grace of the universe and the heavens right down into the center of your heart. Breathe in that grace and breathe in the power of love. Take a moment to just be still, to feel your lungs, to take in that breath of life. Let it nourish and support you. And as we just sit at this heart center, let us just hold all of our being in love, honor, and reverence, just as we are in this moment in time. As a community, as the world, let go of fear and hold and expand the power of love, compassion, gratitude, and resilience. Thank you for joining me today, and I have information below on an online training I'll be doing this coming Saturday from 1 to 3. And I want to teach you some very practical healing tips for working with anxiety, fear, and nourishing our entire immune system. So I hope you'll join me. Happy spring. Enjoy the day out there. This is Elsie Kerns. Thank you for joining me.